Okay, so continuing on with our customer checkout process, I'll click the go to checkout, and this will bring me to the checkout page. You'll see I still have the distributor information and contact button. If I run into any problems, I can contact my distributor there. You'll see your cart. There is a trash can icon. Clicking that will remove an item from your cart completely. Or you can increase the quantity by changing the number in this box. Another new feature that we have now is the ability to expedite shipping per item in your cart. So, for instance, if I wanted to expedite this biomat, I would toggle this little truck with the red background to a plain with a green background, and you'll see now $30 has been added for expedited shipping for just this item. If I wanted to add expedited shipping for both of them, then I would just toggle it on this one and see that expedited shipping has been added for this one as well, and your total in your cart will update. There is some additional information about the Rich Ways shipping schedule and fees for shipping to other places here on the right hand side. But other than that, this checkout process is very simple and streamlined, and it's very similar to most other checkout processes that you'll see online. So this is just a test order, so I'll be putting in some test information here just to get the information filled out. And we do tell them that it's very important that the billing address matches what the credit card company has on file. As I'm sure many of you know, Richway does have very strict credit card processing guidelines now, and so this is very important. So I've entered in my billing information, and shipping information is next. So if this information is the same, you can click copy billing. So it just takes an additional step out, but if it's different, then you can just type it all in. In this case, I'm just going to click copy billing since this is just a test, and we'll put in my support the biomat company. Okay, and if you have any special instructions, they would go here. And then I have to select, by submitting this application, I certify that I've read and agree the terms and conditions of Richway's refund policy, and all of those policies can be read by clicking on these links here. And so when your customer is placing an order, they'll enter in their information, but let's say I had forgotten to put in a CVV code. When I go to place the order, I will see that, there's a red X and there's a number required, and be able to correct that before proceeding. So now that I have everything in, I'll click place order. And this will be the last step. We'll just confirm that this is my correct billing information, this is my correct shipping information, and I can either go back and make changes, or I can submit the order to Richway. So as far as the customer is concerned, this will well, it did show the receipt there for a second, but this does confirm, their order's been placed. There will be additional steps as the distributor that you may need to take, and we will talk about those in just a second on the next video.